I wanted to share with you what I received today. My new French crown shirts have arrived. So let's take a look. There's always a personal note from the person who packed my box for me, and a discount coupon for 10% off my next order. Now this shirt is for Miss White. You're going to love this shirt. I will think of you every time I wear it because it's covered in butterflies. Can you see? Yes, you can see the butterflies all along the sleeve, at the bottom of the shirt, and along the other sleeve as well. So I'm so excited about this butterfly shirt. It's not exactly my style. It's the 1/4 button, so I prefer buttons all the way down, but I do love this shirt and I intend to wear it untucked. It'll be so nice. I'll probably wear it tomorrow to work. What else was in my box, you ask? Well, this lovely gray shirt. Really nice quality cotton shirt. The fit is so true to size. So if you're looking at French Crown, these shirts fit exactly as described, and they're beautiful, high quality cotton shirts worth every single penny. So I have this lovely gray shirt with the pattern. Lastly, the shirt I've most been waiting for, because next week is of course Valentine's Day, so I'll be able to wear next Tuesday my new heart shirt. Look at this great shirt covered with hearts. Again, excellent cotton shirt, well made, and it fits exactly as it should. Now I did leave at school one thing that came in the box, and that was my free pen that I got again. And I'm telling you, the free pens they send with your gifts as a gift for your order are amazing. I actually emailed them today to ask where they bought their pens, because I might like to buy some for my school as giveaways for the school. But this is my favorite of the new shirts. I can't wait to wear this next Tuesday. I'm telling you, go to French Crown, buy you some shirts. You'll be so happy that you did.